Yeah, my name is Jitendra Singh. I'm managing director of Henrik Limited. And for this training, we have a supporting team, Mr. Ramapriyan, Farman Ansari, Bindu Nambiar, and for technical support, Kapil and Amit Singh. Just before go to the presentation session, I would like to have introduced product as a glance. We have a public address voice evacuation system, public address analog, digital and IP, amplifier class A, class AV, class D and class H amplifier. Loudspeaker, we have a wide range of loudspeaker in terms of dia, smallest, bigger, low voltage, high voltage, like smallest 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 10 inch, 20 inch, like this. And for wattage, we have amplifier, loudspeaker for us 1.5 watt, 3 watt, 6 watt, 10 watt, 12 watt, 15 watt, 20 watt, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80 watt for this. In professional audio, we have a complete range of mixer, feedback suppressor, digitally controlled line array, and loudspeaker which have a dia for field and stage, as well as active and passive 8 inch, 10 inch, 12, 15 and 18 inch subwoofer. We have a complete range of conferencing system, normal, discussion, embedded, flush mount, digital video conferencing system, talkback and intercom system, wide range of addressable IP talkback system, analog talkback system, emergency light or exit signage, IC 60849 approved emergency light and signages, nurse call system, analog comes with the two, wired and wireless, digital on IP, same. CCTV system, CCTV analog and IP, both system we have. Now we are talking about new system, which is discussing public address and voice evacuation system, wall mount. Why this advanced wall mount is important for the market? You know, we have a different size of building, high rise building, low rise building. In India is a market which is the combination of both building. High rise building, you know, you have a less soft, less space to, you know, wiring cabling, but on surface mount, you have a sufficient space. So high rise, you face a problem with the, you know, magnetic field interface and all. So this wall mount public address system DBA8500W is the design advanced technology which can monitor with magnetic field interface, and it's a very stable advanced system. Before go through further, I would like to highlight Henrik is the one of the pioneer company who developed first 8-zone voice alarm controller with inbuilt 500 watt amplifier. Router, inbuilt 500 watt class D amplifier. So we are the first company who developed master and slave unit have a inbuilt 500 watt class D amplifier with monitoring features. We are the first company who introduced IP-based system, which is include controller IP-based, microphone IP-based, amplifier IP-based, loudspeaker IP-based. In loudspeaker, we have a wall mount, ceiling, horn, column speaker. Every component on IP-based. Third point, IP-based multi-zone intercom system. We have a multi-zone intercom system. So on IP with CCTV camera, with industrial fireproof intercom. So all combination as per the project requirement. This session will cover your system interaction, wall mount, public address voice evacuation system, DVA8-500W. System overview, wall mount PA system, functions, features, series, and production. So now I want to brief wall mount system summary. This have a voice alarm system. It combines business fire background, music, emergency broadcast, functions, broadcast, music and conduct business broadcast and converts to emergency broadcast and fire broadcast to the event of emergency such as fire. With necessary with fire microphone or remote microphone can be used to guide the evacuation of the crowd to achieve the purpose of the fire disaster reactions. Evacuation is not only the fire alarm system, it's related to tsunami, it's related to terrorist attack, it's related to earthquake, it's related to, any nature disaster message we can store, we can play. Second, background music is a BGM system. So same system consists with the BGM system as per the approval. The main role to cover the noise and create relaxed and harmonic atmosphere for the building. This can be cover your spa music as well. Business broadcasting system. It's a broadcasting for business promotions, product marketing, remote paging when necessary, lost and found tracing, pupil things suitable for shopping malls, airports, and any retail chains. This is a small architecture for DB8500. How this architecture is small to bigger. You can connect up to 16 to 19 controllers, master slab, 28 microphones, 4 fireman microphones. So each controller consists 8 zone in and out. Now, wall-mounted summary. Wall-mounted fire evacuation system is designed for emergency broadcast, voice play, support multi-linking function consisting of host changeover, remote microphone, fireman microphone, touch screen microphone, loudspeakers. System supports up to 1 host to 19 changeover in cascade. A host can be configured to connect 28 remote paging microphone and 4 fireman microphone. Each changeover has 8 partitions, and the entire system can be expandable up to 160 zones. The system has advanced power amplifier, power distributor, and all the zones of one device here are 650 watt power amplifier. EN54 always recommend 20% SPR should be have a system, so he can cover the heating of the system. So now this system already have a sufficient power watt. It's a 650 watt class D amplifier. So power amplifier which can reduce the configuration cost of each zone, high suitable multiple zones, and low power system has power amplifier monitoring. Anybody have any questions? So we will reply these all questions in after the session of this presentation, or you can send an email to us. I will, once this presentation finish, we will reply your answers. The wall mount system is stable with a fully modular design, modern technology, long-term industry experience. We are taking more on R&D, taking a huge time to develop and on redundancy mode, testing mode, 24 hours testing, more than 1 year, high load. So the testing facility, our testing facility take a time to verify the system. The system can play background music in the absence of the fire and disaster. In case of the fire disaster, immediately enter the fire alarm stage as per the priority. The system powerful system and harmonized, widely used in all kind of building. So this is the system which consists. You can see the picture of the system. Support multiple external audio input. Support zone monitoring and resistance changing recognitions, support zone broadcasting and override volume controller. If this case, any emergency, the volume will override by the evacuation, any disaster message, earthquake, bomb alert, etc. Separate from panel MP3 modules, which is convinced to change BGM. Support fault record log. If there is any fire alarm system, record fire alarm system happen, any accident happen, any incident, record it, log recorded, you can see the real-time data. With real module recognition, handling and fault recognition, which can be up to 1000 pieces. We have a 2 monitoring, one is fault recorded or one is event recorded. Support PC software visual control system can be operated without PC. The system have all architecture, in front panel, all hardwire, you can see in picture. So you can select the zone or all the functions which you can do the software you have manually in the front panel. One key to reset all will more convenient to make alarm. Optional built-in battery which can give reliability power supply when AC is disconnected. In any fire accident or any accident, most of the time power supply fail. They cut the power, AC power. So our voice evacuation system work on the inbuilt power supply which is comes with the system. So how this evacuation system can detect with this? What is the working principle with the evacuation system? I will explain to you. Real-time monitoring of the site through the detection. Once the fire alarm emergency is detected, it's immediately sent to the fire alarm control confirmation and then sent to the system through the multi-wire system or bus interface. And the system immediately control according to the edited early warning scheme. The corresponding device play preset voice prompts for area that may be compromised to evacuate the crowd. You can see the detector connected with the fire panel, and fire panel is connected the bus system or dry nodes with the our evacuation system, and each zone can work together. They get the information from fire panel. This system is stable for European EN54-16 fire broadcast specifications. Integration professional fire fighting system with public address system. You can integrate your firefighting system with public address system and evacuation system. Simply system device connection. Each zone system adopted A plus B dual loop design. We can say class AB wiring. CAN bus link connect interface. Cat6 cable is interface link for one controller to slab unit. Class D digital power amplifier, energy saving, high efficiency. The system support fire alarm system, PTT, microphone, paging, recording functions, real-time monitoring, operate system, fault. Now, real-time monitoring, operate system, fault and emergency recorded, 20,000 we can store. But 20,000 is 10,000, 10,000. Simply user interface, one click calling, upgrade user experience. Flexible zone multi-paging operations, host and changeover designation, integration. Now, evacuation system features and application. The section mainly describe the brief description of the wall-mounted system and feature and applications. These are the system DV8500W, DV8500W FM, fireman microphone, and DV8-500W RM, is microphone. DV8500 support multiple external audio input, support zone resistance detection and resistance changing recognition. It means monitoring of the loudspeaker. Whatever connected is fully monitored system. Separate front MP3 module which is convenient to change BGM, support to fault. Support fault record logs with 8 programmable contact trigger input and output with real time module diagnosis handling the fault recording, which can be up to 20,000 pieces. 20,000 pieces. Support PC software visual control which can be operated without PC. The panel on buttons can operate directly without PC. It's manually you can do. One key call reset which more convenient to make alarm. One key, you want evacuation, just press the button. You want alert, press the button or reset. False alarm, recognize first, take action. Option inbuilt battery which can give reliable power supply when AC is disconnected. It's more reliable system than other system. Remote paging microphones. Part code is DV8-500WRM. Support 160 zone and 16 group paging. Zone can be divided into any group. Supported paging, one microphone with 160 zone, and master host can connected 1 to 6. System support maximum 28 paging stations cascading. Support audio input with volume can adjust with each microphone. Paging priority can be set through software. Support 24 DC power supply. Two cascade port which support hand-in-hand connection. Support different hosts choosing by changing the index address. Support zone status display corresponding host. Now I will tell you the features which is onboard display in front panel. This is for music. You have a 4 input for music. There is a button. You can have a mode. You can select the mode, USB mode, SD media mode, FM mode, or CD player mode. Whatever play, you can play, forward. And this panel display will show you the what is even going on. It's a USB, SD card, or CD, whatever comes. There is a USB, you can have a USB drive, you can put it USB drive, play the song. If SD card is there, you can select the SD card and play the song. This is another part of the front panel display. You can see that I make an arrow. This part is visible here. So its first part, there is an emergency button. You can press the button and make a emergency broadcast. This monitoring panel, this monitor adjusts volume of the onboard loudspeaker, which is in front of the panel. EMC mic volume increase or decrease. Treble and bass increase or decrease both, mixing both the sound. It's a master volume controller for all zone. And this panel will show you the AC power monitoring of entire system. AC power fail is so blank. It's have a 3 color LED, red, green, yellow. It's show the fault. DC power failure is show the fault. Paging failure, if paging microphone have issue, it will show the system fault. Network fault. If our system is on network, so it will show the network fault. EMC mic phone. Onboard microphone fail, it will show. Indication test is so. So this front panel will show you the features onboard front panel. This is also onboard front panel. The each zone control is monitor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can select the zone, make announcement. You can increase or decrease the volume for music. There is a 5 input for music. You can see the which music is playing, which is off. All monitoring showing on the panel. Side button is showing sound source, mic, on, off. This is the monitor button on, off. Evac message on, off. Alert message on, off. Reset for the system. All zone on, off. Now, if you go inside the panel, this shows the terminals, how we can connect the first terminal connection this 1, 2, 3, 4. Adjustment for the volume. Increase for music, decrease for music. Audio input will connect here. Then another loop can be connect here. Microphone connect here, loop in, loop out, and LAN cable, LAN adjust. And there is a panel is mentioned the zones, how we can give the address to the zone. It's a dip switch. So dial switch can make a zone address to the system. IP reset button is already there. IP reset button and impedance calibration button. So we can check the impedance for the line and other thing. So this system mentioned written here, so engineer can see, read, and make a connection accordingly. So this system will make engineer friendly system. Everything written in the panel. You need to just connect the cable. Now this another part which I remove this panel, this comes above this green area. In this green area is have a zone input and output, 4-wire relay contact, for switch relay interface for emergency, 4-channel evacuation fire interface for fire, input and output. Clearly mention each zone line 100 volt, 0 volt, E, O, 0 volt. Now the system architecture work the same. PC will connect the LAN cable to controller. Controller RS485 will connect to the another controller. Cat6 cable connect with the remote microphone. Normal speaker cable connect the loudspeakers. The system architecture. If you have any question, let me know.